Yeah, when you get through, just put it all right back in the box. And that is all there is to it. Ready to go for next time. Hey guys, I got sent over a fuel transfer pump device to do a little box opening and to check it out and see how well it works. Fuel transfer pumps make life easier. Comes in a nice hard shell case. I do like that. Good latches on it. And our instructions right here inside the lid. That's pretty nice. There's paper instructions here, kind of showing you how to hook up the filter to the hose. We'll get to that in a moment. It has your R-Pro owner's manual. Free replacement parts within 36 months. So right here, for the upgraded Steauty's fuel transfer pumps, we provide spare parts replacement service within 36 months. We are happy to replace the spare parts for you free of charge as long as they are faulty. Don't hesitate to contact us in time. You can use it with confidence. Well, there you go. Sounds like it comes with a pretty good little warranty there. We do have a filter here. Looks like it comes with an extra filter. Now the cool thing is that you can use this one of two ways. You can plug this into your cigarette lighter. There's a little funnel here to funnel it down into your gas tank, gas can. But you can hook it up, plug it into the cigarette lighter of your vehicle, or you can hook it directly up to your battery. Actually, you hook this up to your battery, and then you can plug this into here, or you could just plug that straight into your cigarette lighter. Looks like it has a very long cord on it. That's nice. When you do get ready to power this thing on, make sure you plug it in first and get it all plugged into your device here. I'll bring the camera up in a minute. But get it plugged into your power outlet, into your device, and then hit the power button. Kind of do it in that order. Like I said, it comes with an extra filter and a little hose clip here. Also comes with your hose clamps, because we will need to do a little bit of installation here, nothing major. Kind of hard to see, but right down here is the plug that you plug in your power cord. You plug this in right down there. It's right below the on and off switch right here. Now this is the hose that you're going to stick in the gas tank where you're going to bring the fuel out of, or the oil, diesel, whatever it is you're pumping out. This is the hose that'll go into that tank. If you look real close, there is an arrow right there. I did not see that at first, but it shows you which way the flow goes. So it's going to flow in from this side and out that side. Okay, we want to put our hose clamp on this side and then hook this up to the filter, just like this. And we'll get a screwdriver and tighten that up. You don't want to over tighten it because that is plastic, so be careful. You want it tight enough not to leak, but not too tight to crack the plastic. And it does have this cable running through here to give it some strength, or give it the ability to slide through your tank where you're siphoning the fuel out of. And this is the end right here that's going to go into, like in my case, go into my vehicle to pull the gas from and put it in the gas can for the lawnmower. This end here is what is going to go into your receiving tank, like a gas can. And that is pretty much it to get it all set up. Now we just need to get it hooked up and get to work. Something I just noticed is apparently when they put this thing together, they installed these hoses onto the pump and then mounted the pump into the case, because these hose clamps are upside down. You can't get to them. So to tighten these up or to loosen them off, you're going to have to take off your fitting here. Okay, all you got to do here is hook it up to your battery, or you can plug it into your cigarette lighter. It's like, I need to clean my battery off. Get that plugged in there. Then you take your cord here and just plug it in right there. We do have power. If you don't have power, it won't be lit up. Now, besides the on and off switch on the pump itself, you also have one on the cord. This will plug into our pump. So it's got a splitter right there. We'll get our pump over here and see how well it works. Now we'll just plug our cord into the pump. Turn it on and off with a switch. We'll run this end into our gas tank. Put this end into your gas can and hit your power. And there we go. We are pumping away. You see the fuel coming out now? That's pretty good flow on it. And that is all there is to it. Whatever you need, fill up the tank or just get a gallon or two. It runs through the filter over there, so if there is anything in the tank, it'll filter it out right there. And for our lawnmower, that is probably plenty of fuel right there. So when you get done, you can go ahead and hit that pump and pump the rest of that in there that is in the line. That'll help get that line cleared out. And that's all there is to it. It'll definitely get the job done. I like it. Does a good job. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. Yeah, when you get through, just put it all right back in the box. And that is all there is to it. Ready to go for next time. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.